Today I'm taking you through a full walkthrough and honest review of Payhip, a platform designed for creators who want to sell digital products, courses, or even memberships directly to their audience. Once you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a very clean and minimal interface. It's clearly tailored to solopreneurs and small businesses looking for a simple way to monetize content without coding or complicated setup. Creating an account is straightforward. Just an email and password, and you're in. There's no mandatory payment setup at the start, which is great for people who want to explore the features before committing. Once inside the dashboard, you can instantly start adding products. Payhip supports digital downloads, physical products, online courses, and memberships. Uploading a digital file is easy, with intuitive drag-and-drop functionality and support for various file types including PDFs, videos, and zip files. One great feature is the ability to set pricing flexibility. You can choose fixed prices, pay what you want models, or offer free products. This is perfect for creators who want to experiment with different pricing strategies. The product customization options allow you to add a detailed description, preview images, and even attach license keys if needed. However, it's not all perfect. The course creation tool is functional but limited compared to dedicated LMS platforms. If you're looking to build a deep learning experience with quizzes, certificates, or student tracking, Payhip might feel too basic. It works fine for simple courses, but it's not built to replace more robust platforms like Teachable or Thinkific. The membership system is more versatile. You can create multiple plans, offer trials, and drip content over time. It's a strong tool for recurring income, but again, the design and UX feel a bit outdated. If aesthetics matter to you, this might be a drawback. Payment integration is handled through PayPal and Stripe, which are solid options. There's no support for other gateways, which could be limiting for some international users. On the upside, Payhip doesn't charge a monthly fee on the free plan. Instead, they take a 5% commission on each sale. Paid plans reduce or eliminate this fee depending on the tier. Many useful links you can find in the description. In terms of marketing, Payhip provides essential tools like discount codes, upsells, and affiliate marketing. The affiliate system is easy to set up, allowing you to incentivize other creators or partners to promote your products. It also includes basic analytics, though not as detailed as platforms like Shopify. You can see total sales, traffic sources, and conversion rates, good enough for small operations, but limited if you're running complex campaigns. One thing to note is that while Payhip is simple and easy to use, that simplicity comes at the cost of flexibility. You won't find deep customization, third-party app integration, or advanced automation features. If you're someone who needs fine control over your store's layout or back-end functions, you'll likely find it lacking. Overall, Payhip is best suited for creators who want an all-in-one solution to start quickly, without worrying about tech headaches or high monthly costs. It's an ideal entry point for beginners or those with minimal needs. But if your business is growing and you need more sophisticated tools, you may eventually outgrow it. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials on digital tools that can grow your online business.